Yeah.
Tenants only.
Can you go there, ask darling if they are we allowed to see, just seeing only, just seeing, darling? Can you still ask him permission, darling? Look around and see.
There's a toilet here. Must be that one there.
Which one?
Toilet.
It's okay, ask the permission first. May passing by lang tayo. Terry, yung paborito? Ice cream. Shut down the camera. Hey, shut down the camera. Shut the camera. Shut down the camera.
Not allowed. This is a private property. It's only for tenants. If you wanna come, please. 60 for power and 45 for no power.
So what are you gonna do there?
Huh?
What they have? There's a quad bike.
Well, that's for tenants. You can't go in. We're not allowed to